Today I would like to welcome you to number 1 Gregory Terrace here in Kuranda, a beautiful, fully fenced 3-level pole home set on over an acre of land just on the top of the Kuranda Range. This property has beautiful rainforest and garden views from every room in the house. Offering a versatile floor plan with 2 spacious bedrooms on the top floor with high ceilings, multiple living areas and 1 spacious bathroom. The master bedroom with a 2-way ensuite is located on the main floor. This floor also includes a completely renovated kitchen that flows over to the outside balcony. The open-plan living and dining opens up to the main balcony that is perfect for entertaining the family or guests. The ground level has a separated entrance with another bedroom and a laundry. This is a perfect holiday destination flat or just for separated living. There are so many great features in this home: a great in-ground mineral pool, solar panels on the roof, double side access with a shed and lots of storage, a 12 by 4 meter carport, perfect for parking of large caravan, trucks or boats. My name is Jan and this is Tropical Living.